Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I am going to explain how to display this simple pattern. See here, whenever we are look at this one pattern, here the pattern every row starts with which value and every row ends with which value. Just like our previous pattern videos, we are writing. See here, every row starting with a different value. Different value. Changing means that different value you need to write into one variable. And every row ending with the same value. What is that same value? Is a 5. So whenever you are printing the row starts with a different value, ending with the same value. So whenever you are printing using J, every row starting with a different value, ending with 5, increasing order na. So less than or equals to 5 J plus plus. Starting with a different value, each row starting with a different value and each row ending with the same value. But sir, what is this different value? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First row I value 1, second row I value 2, third row I value 3. So that you need to specify I starting with 1, I less than or equals to 5, I plus plus. And we are always printing that J. System.out.print J value. After completion of printing the row, to send the control to the next line, print ln we are writing. With the help of this code, you can print this pattern. Hope you understood. Please follow.